Have you ever felt stuck in your English learning, even after months or years of practice? Do you wonder why your English is not improving as fast as you want? You are not alone. Today, I will reveal the big mistakes that stop most learners from making real progress in English. By the end of this episode, you will know exactly what to avoid and how to fix your learning for faster results. Stay with me, because these tips can change your English journey starting today. Welcome to the Unlock English podcast. I am Alex, your English coach. If you want to improve your English fast and avoid common mistakes, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Many English learners work hard but still feel stuck. The reason is not a lack of talent or effort. It is usually a few big mistakes that slow down your progress. These mistakes are common, but the good news is you can fix them. Today, I will show you the 4 biggest mistakes that hold learners back and give you simple solutions for each one. If you avoid these traps, you will see your English improve faster and feel more confident every day. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first big mistake is being too afraid to speak. Many learners spend months or even years studying grammar and vocabulary but avoid real conversations. They worry about making mistakes, sounding silly, or having a bad accent. This fear keeps your English locked in your head. You understand a lot, but cannot use it when you need it most. The truth is, everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. Mistakes are not bad. They are a normal part of learning. Each mistake is a chance to learn and improve. Here's how to fix it. Set a daily speaking goal, even if it's just for 2 minutes. Talk to yourself about your day, record your voice, or join an online conversation group. Start with simple topics like your morning routine or your favorite food. Don't worry about perfect grammar or pronunciation. Focus on sharing your message. The more you practice, the easier and more natural it will feel. Remember, speaking is a skill. Just like playing an instrument. You can't get better by only reading or listening. You have to practice out loud. Take a deep breath and remind yourself, every time you speak, you're making progress. Don't let fear stop you from using your English. The second big mistake is focusing too much on grammar rules. Many students believe that perfect grammar is the key to speaking well. They spend hours memorizing rules and exceptions, but still struggle in real conversations. You are all still struggling in real conversations. When you think too much about grammar, you pause in the middle of sentences, worry about every word, and lose the natural flow of speaking. You sound less confident and more robotic. Here's how to fix it. Learn grammar in real situations, not just from books. Pay attention to how people use grammar in movies, podcasts, and conversations. Practice using new grammar in your own sentences and stories. Focus on the grammar you need for daily life. Most conversations use simple patterns. Don't be afraid to make grammar mistakes while speaking. Native speakers break grammar rules all the time in casual conversation. The most important thing is to communicate your ideas clearly. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar to speak good English. You need practice, confidence, and real communication.
The third big mistake is always comparing yourself to other learners. It is easy to feel bad when you see someone speaking English better or faster than you. Social media makes this even worse. You see people speaking perfectly, but you do not see their years of practice and mistakes. This comparison can make you lose motivation and confidence. You might even think you are not good at languages, but that is not true. How to fix it? Focus on your own progress, not on others. Set personal goals, like understanding a movie without subtitles or having a short conversation in English. Celebrate your small wins and keep a journal of your improvements. Remember, everyone learns at their own speed and has different strengths. You are on your own English journey. Celebrate every step forward, no matter how small. The fourth big mistake is only using passive learning. This means you spend most of your time watching videos, reading, or listening, but do not practice speaking or writing. Passive learning feels comfortable, but it doesn't help you use English in real life. You might understand a lot, but when it's time to speak, you freeze. How to fix it? Balance passive learning with active practice. After watching a video or reading an article, talk about it out loud or write a short summary. Use the echo method. Repeat what you hear in your own words. Join conversation groups, write comments online, or teach what you learn to someone else. The key is to use English, not just understand it. Every time you use English actively, you are building real fluency. Don't just watch, get involved. Let's review what we learned today. The 4 big mistakes that stop you from learning English are fear of speaking, focusing too much on grammar, comparing yourself to others, and only using passive learning. The solutions are simple. Speak every day, learn grammar in real life, focus on your own progress, and practice English actively. Today's phrase is practice makes progress, not perfection. Remember, every time you practice, you get better, even if you make mistakes. Now, choose one mistake you want to avoid this week. Promise yourself to make a small change and notice your progress. If this episode helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the Unlock English podcast. Leave a comment below. Which mistake do you want to fix first? Keep practicing, keep improving, and remember, your English fluency is closer than you think. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next episode.